One of the activities your instructor may have included in your course is a lesson. Lessons guide students through a series of content pages which might contain readings, links, videos, or images. Let's go through an example lesson so that you can acquire a basic understanding of how to navigate through and complete them. Click on the lesson title to begin. This opens the first page of the lesson. Once we review this page, we can go to the next with the navigation buttons at the bottom. These buttons can be customized by an instructor, so they may say something like Next or Previous. On this page, there are a couple of links that might be important to view, alongside a video and some text-based content. Ensure you are reading all pages of a lesson so that you don't miss important readings, videos, links, or other content. It would be a good idea to also take notes while going through a lesson. Navigating through the next pages, a multiple choice question is provided that checks for understanding of the content read so far. These questions could be matching, multiple choice, true false, short answer, or essay. When a lesson is complete, an end page tells you that you have finished the lesson. Some lessons are typically set up to allow review, so this isn't the only time you have access to the content or questions. If you have any questions about a lesson, reach out to your instructor, and if it is a technical issue, feel free to reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning via the Help Desk.